Yes, what's up? Good morning, kabayan. Good morning, masanto siya kabasan natin kayo namin sa Srika. Good morning, magandang umaga guys, no? So, si Paul, as usual, is still sleepy. And my wife too, because kagabi, kararating lang namin mga around kwan na, late na rin. Mga alas 12 na ata. Kwan. Siyempre puyat, kaya bawi ng tulog. Ako naman kasi guys, may laro sa basketball. Kaya, I'm playing basketball today, right now. So I'll just meet June. Kaya ito, hobby lang. And then mamaya, hindi ko alam kung anong plano. Sabi daw, pupunta ng Wonderland ulit. We're going to Wonderland. Kasi ata may fireworks ata para dun sa mga bata. Yeah. So yun po, ito silang papasyalan mga bata sa Wonderland. May konti tayong abot. So tingnan na lang natin kung ano magiging update natin mamaya. Yeah. So guys, no, kita-kits tayo. Papunta na ako, bili muna ako ng kape. Yeah. So yun po guys, no, update na lang tayo. Ayan, ito ng basketball. Balik tayo mga around 9 sa bahay. Yeah. Good. So guys, dito na tayo. Dito na rin si Jun, saka si Bobot na taga Amambangan. Yung kasama namin naglalaro guys. So kita-kits tayo sa loob, ha. Ito ko lang kapapark ko lang. Okay guys. So guys, dito na tayo sa basketball court, no? Ito yung court namin. Wala! Ba't tinira? Yun guys, na. So katatapos na ng laro namin. So far so good, okay naman. So ngayon may usapan kami na kakain muna sa labas sa McDonald's. Kita kami sa McDonald's guys. Kakain muna kami almusal. So yun, tara, let's. Guys, ito na yung mga malulupit na kwan. Ang tawag dito yung mga kwan, player ng Dulacak ba? Amambangan. Alaminos. Kasi Boy Igya. Guys, kita ko tayo. Gutom na mga to guys. Oo. Alam ko baka kwan, 2 linggo natin hindi kumakain, lalo na to. So kita-kits tayo. Nagumutong pa na. So yun guys, ito na yung plano. Punta kami ng, where are we going?
To Canada's Wonderland.
Yeah, Canada's Wonderland. So kita-kits kami nila Jane, nila Kuya Liam doon. So guys, kita-kits tayo. So guys, nandito na tayo, no? So far, dami sakyan. Makikita nyo sa likod ko, no? Daming nandito ngayon. So medyo napalayo yung park kasi yun nga, dami. So, kita-kits tayo sa loob. No, yung magina ko, ayun, nandun. Ayun, naglalakad. Yun, yung magina ko. Napag-iwanan na naman tayo. So, guys, yun, kita-kits.
The Sky Riders!
Say hi. Yeah.
Even listen to talk.
Yeah.
See that?
So guys, water park. Ito yung water park na sasabi nila guys. Walang hiya-hiya dito guys. Kahit nakaubad ka man, I don't care. Yeah. So guys, nakikita nyo yung mga wala yan. Ganyan lang live dito guys. Yeah. Saya guys, saya. Maganda to. Ha? Yan guys oh. Ganda. Ayan guys oh. Guys, nandun si Pulo. Ayun. Ayan siya. Of course, ang daming bata oh. Yeah. Nakakatuwang tingnan. Kaya nga lang si Paul, umanda rin yung pagiging maarte niya. Marami daw ang tubig. Ayan o. Wala, kapisaw lang. Hi Paul! Paul! Orange. Ayan siya. Hi, Paul. Nox. Mga laba man. Wow. This is good. Nice ball. Nox. Hello guys, we just came a while ago from the Wonderland. So now in this house We have visitors.
Two,
Who's that?
4 visitors.
Who?
The Campbells and Keith Jonas and what's that one?
Tito June.
Tito Jim.
Oh, this is Kambal. Come here, Kambal. See? Kambal. See yun. Si
Campbell
Kambal.
of the boy Campbell.
Yeah. So I will
And
visitor.
the other one, I'll show you.
Yeah.
You can't see him. He's just in the
That's
tree.
Al right there. This is a
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a tree. Oh, and this is a tree. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah. So we have more visitors, guys,
I
coming.
don't know, Mom. I don't know.
Yeah, Tita Leslie and the other guys, right? They're coming. Yeah.
The boys
No, that's Tito Rinante.
and him.
Yeah.
Who else? I
And-
think the boys are gonna win because there's 2 of us and 2 of the Campbells and 1 boy coming soon.
Oh, yeah,
So it's
yeah.
supposed to be the boys gonna win because there's just 2 girls.
Oh, okay.
And then there's gonna be there's gonna be another girl coming? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
Tita
yeah.
Leslie.
Tita Annalisa, I think so.
Oh, so that means we're tied?
Yeah.
No, Mom, no. We have 4, and we have 1. No, we have. So we have 3. They have 4, and we have 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5,
Okay.
6. We have 6 people on our team.
Hello, shout out to Kuya Liam.
Yum.
Yeah, we did not see him and sa Wonderland kasi nandun siya sa mga pangmalakihang water slide. So si Paul hindi naman ako pwede kasi nakasapato si Daddy.
Yeah, drink my shirt.
Oh yeah, you go to the
Daddy didn't go because he's sick.
yeah. So we're gonna update you guys. See you again later.
Later
Yeah.
until the next morning.
Yeah, luto muna kami guys.
And we're gonna go to bowling.
Oh yeah, soon.
Not soon.
Yeah,
No, it's not.
soon we're gonna go to bowling.
Not soon. It's supposed to be next week.
Oh yeah, next week going to.
That means next time.
Okay, next time.
So it's supposed to be next time.
Okay. Okay, say.
Beep, beep.
So guys, yun. Nagpunta yung mga bisita namin dito na sila Leslie, sila Rinante, pamilya ni June, sila Simon, Annalisa. So, papasalamat ako sa kanila pagbisita. And then, yun po. Medyo tulog na lahat. So, maraming salamat po sa kanila, sa inyo. At maraming salamat po sa pag-antabi sa amin, pagsama sa Wonderland. So, dyan po natatapos ang aming vlog. Si Paul tulog na, at si Mrs. So guys, maraming salamat ulit. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you.